Hey, good morning, everybody. Crypto Mentor 99. The Eagle or the Eagles have landed. It is Saturday morning, March 29th, 2025, coming to you from Minnesota headquarters, which happens to be in Minneapolis. Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99 are in Minneapolis at the present moment. We're at my daughter's place, and we arrived last night. And the people talk funny here. I met one guy last night. He said, I'm from Minnesota. Like, man, you talk like you're from Minnesota. They talk a little bit different up here. I've done other videos on this. But hey, don't you know, that's what they talk like up here. Or maybe that's more Canadian. Anyhow, having a great time. My daughter actually gave birth to a little girl, and we're up here enjoying her family. Has a great husband, 2 other children, and now this is the 3rd. So yeah, changing diapers last night, super fun. Reminds me of the old days. But anyhow, Crypto Mentor at 99, Minnesota people are good people, don't you know? And I think people in Minnesota like pancakes for breakfast. I don't know if that's true or not. But anyhow, Minnesota used to be my part of my sales territory back in the day. But anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99. I got to go. I forgot. I've got one medication that I take that I forgot back at home. So I've got to get like a partial prescription, which is not what I want to do early morning on Saturday. But anyhow, we're in Minnesota with the rest of the Minnesota people. And that's it. Crypto Mentor 99. I'm going to make a few more videos. I've got some more things that I want to say about Minnesota and even my own personal life. And that's it. Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being part of my crypto family. You know I love you. See you later. Bye-bye.